Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your history on Robinhood. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to see how much transfers you've been making on Robinhood, or maybe you want to see what companies have been paying you dividends on a quarterly or monthly basis. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to click on your Robinhood app, and then once you're logged in, your homepage is going to look like this. On the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the icon that looks like an individual. And then on this page here, you want to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand side. Now from here, you want to click on history. And then right here, guys, you have a bunch of history transactions. So you can see your order history, you can see your transfer history, and you can also see your dividends history. In my case, it just happens to be that I only received dividends on Robinhood. So all I'm seeing in the past 30 days are all the dividends that I've been receiving from different companies. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your Robinhood history. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.